Hello everyone, welcome back to Music Movements. In today's video, we are starting a new topic, that is present indefinite tense. Let's begin the topic with date and day. Word of the day, chuckle, meaning to laugh quietly. Chuckle, to laugh quietly. Topic, present indefinite tense. It is used to express routine, habit, facts, universal truth. Where do we use this? Routine, habit, facts or universal truth. Look at the example. She brushes twice in a day. This is a habit or routine. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It means facts. The sun rises in the east. This is a universal truth. We cannot change it. This is universal truth. Formation. This is the most important part of this video. Subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. Like with V1 we use S or ES. With V1 we use S or ES. Exercise 1. Filling the blanks with correct form of verb, simple present tense. Let's understand where do we use S or ES. Fine. So, with singular we use S or ES. With singular we use S or ES. With plural no S or ES. With plural no S or ES. Please repeat after me. With singular we use S or ES. With plural we do not use S or ES. So what is singular? He, she, it, any name. He, she, it or any name. This is called singular. One, single, with single. What is plural? They, we or any plural form of noun. This is called plural. So, repeat it with me. With singular, we use S or ES. With plural, we do not use S or ES. With singular, S or ES. With plural, no S or ES. Fine. But when we talk about I, what is it? It is a singular. It is a singular, but follows the properties of plural. How? With I, there is no S or ES. We do not require S or ES. Fine. Repeat it. I is an exceptional case. I is an exceptional case. It is a singular, but do not use S or ES. Fine. So, please repeat once more. With singular, S or ES. With plural, no S or ES. With singular, S or ES. With plural, no S or ES. Fine. Come to the exercise now. The boy dash football. The boy play football. The boy. Is it singular or plural? It is singular. Fine. With singular, we use S or ES. So, answer will be plays. He is a singular or plural? It is a singular. With he like chocolate. So, likes. With singular, we use S or ES. Likes. I is a singular, but take the pattern of, follow the pattern of plural. So, I dash drink tea every morning. So, drink as it is. No S or ES required. Fine. Fourth, children. Child is singular, children is plural. With plural, no S or ES. With plural, no S or ES. So, answer will be sweep. They is singular or plural? They is plural. They is plural. With plural, no S or ES. With plural, no S or ES. So, answer will be as it is, sit. Fine. So, this is how we use present indefinite tense. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.